Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, so as we continue the journey with this caller, you know this man is a PMP LGBTQ plus supporter. Don't listen to him because he say he voted for Edward Seaga 1980. That doesn't really go here or there, but based on what he's saying, you know that this is a man that, although he lives in the United States of America, this is the same man that is peddling all kind of propaganda and lies still and believe in it and trying to convince me. You understand what I'm saying? A man who can think and have a brain, and a man who has experienced things that happen in my community. So he wants to be my shadow, telling me, trying to use sarcasm and all kind of things. You know, so I want you watch, you listen, you decide. Because look here, at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we tell you nothing but the truth, real mama papa truth. So that's how it is. That's why most people do not like me and them say that we are labor rights. No, the reason is that we love Edward Seaga because he made us safe. Yeah. When Edward Seaga was the Prime Minister, we didn't have any income, we didn't have any agency that was there pursuing the police to turn them into criminals. That's what the PMP did. You understand? We didn't have any, when police involved in shooting, everything that the British left us with, Edward Seaga made sure that he kept it. The PMP dismantled it, and they have destroyed the fabric of the Jamaican society and culture. No, the only culture that we have in Jamaica is criminality. That's the only thing that we have been producing in Jamaica. So I want you watch, you listen, and you decide. And just remember to look at the thumbnail and you'll learn something about what happened over 43 years ago. Yes, I know 2 of the men are still alive. George Brown from this massacre, this killing spree, George Brown and Vincent Morrison. So I was, just you watch, you listen, and you decide.
People them. Him go back because I mean, like, no, it's like after the fact him I say, and in fact him even say it. Another thing him even say it. Him said the same thing will happen in Nicaragua, the same thing happened in Jamaica. The only difference is that the Prime Minister was not assassinated. He said that's the only difference with what happened as it relates to the economic hitman thing.
Yeah, but he wasn't the CIA person that was the case manager for the CIA Jamaica at the time.
No, he was
a low-level person working out of Virginia. He was not on the ground in Jamaica.
Him not said that him. Okay, him never said that him do it. He said the same thing that happened.
But it's the same thing, and you're not a part of it. You have to have evidence. But all of them things are just conjecture.
So let me ask you a question.
Look here, may I tell you, say, between me and you, I believe the people them in my community at Jonestown. Say George Pang them do it and General. Come on, you're too smart. No, I mean me too smart. No, look here. Are you look here. No, look here.
Being biased.
I mean bias. Look here. Me I tell you now still learner. You don't sound like somebody that is practical or somebody who are use them sense. You believe say you are say that you believe a man from Tivoli come in a concrete jungle in the headquarters and burn down Eventide.
Hold on.
I'm bored up with them. If you listen to what Yellow Man say or Yellow Man get way and them thing there, if you listen what Yellow Man say, if you can read between the lines, you will hear two people when him call them name and him say him thank them. That's why I'm still alive. And none of them two people, listen to me, none of them two people they are not labor right. None of the two people name when the Yellow Man talk about Eventide. That deal.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
How is it that why you think that Jamaica is as destabilized as it is now? Why you think caused that?
No.
In fact, you're supposed to know.
Tell me why Jamaica. Not political party, man. I both political.
Hold on. So well, you know what? Me have total with all due respect. Me I lose the not respect.
No wrong. Hey, look here. No wrong if you lose it and everything.
No. Now you are reason. We are reason, you know. We are reason. We are reason. You understand? We are to exchange ideas and thoughts and whatever. We have a reason. See? What may I say? Me don't respect what you are saying. Because I am saying things where you wanna like for year, you know. You want me to tell you Anan's story and them thing there. No, man.
You understand?
Like I said to you, but I'm saying to you, okay, if me much older than you, but you come hear things after me. Because at the time,
like what? Me hear things after you with Eventide at Jonestown, but when that happened, you know.
Yeah, but
when at the big fire they are going, you know.
How old were you then?
I was 10. I was 10. You know, you say from me, I 4 more for the police.
But I know. But at 10, you don't have the knowledge when you have. Like at the time, you not understand. Yes,
but you don't have the experience with me have. My experience is totally different from yours.
That's exactly the point.
You know, born and growing in my community. You know, no. Learn what after.
Everything let
me ask you.
Where you learn after because you never know that at 10.
I want you to ask.
You never had the photo.
Look here. Talk for yourself. And if you go back and even watch some of my video and them thing there, I'm gonna talk about even a man. When I talk about incest, a man where they live beside a soldier brother when named Errol, where Kappa them killed. Kappa, Shaba. Them time I was 5 when them killed that man there. That soldier youth there. You understand? And there's a man who live beside him where they with him daughter and breeder. Run with him wife, that I girl mother. And him have 3 and she have 3 pitting for him. Is a 2 woman comment in the thing and I not even remember the man name, but me remember him on Setimo Street. And that was when I was 4. So me know you tell me you can't compare yourself with me. You can't come tell me. You can't tell me about my experience. Me can't tell you things.
No.
That's what you're trying to. You are trying to tell me about how me hear. Me I tell about what me know. You understand? Me know. Look here. You ever see Kappa in your life yet?
No.
Okay, all right. May I tell you this now? Listen.
That's insignificant.
Are you does that? Are you tell me about my memory and them thing there? You want to tell me say everything when me hear?
No.
Me I know when me hear or me know. Me I tell you.
Porter,
you understand?
Porter, what I'm saying to you, Porter, listen. What I'm saying to you.
Yeah.
What I am saying to you is that at the age of 10, you don't have the knowledge. You never have the understanding of what was happening at that time.
Really?
You never had that.
Really?
Yes, me I tell you that.
Really?
Yes, me I tell
you
you
can't tell me that, man. Because you can't tell me that. Number one, you can't tell me that. Anytime me are 6, when me are 6, me see police, 2 police. You understand? And police, even police were work with them, carburetor me and say, when me see 2 police when me know, Barry Hamilton, and the next one named Big Youth. The 2 of them me see a issue gun. at the corner of Love Street and Price Street at Jonestown. Ask George Pang if you think I lie, me I tell. And if you listen to the channel, you'd hear the policeman named Roy Redderburn. Roy Redderburn is more PMP than Michael Manley. You understand?
Me just saying something.
You understand?
Me just saying a certain pound with them. I mean, I don't want to look on it now. Because we are talking.
No, you don't have to. No, more look on that now. Them thing there.
No.
You understand?
Yeah, but listen.
Where you look here? Where you want to hear for make you feel comfortable?
No,
me's a practical person and them thing there. Nobody. Hey, look here. Hey, look here. Yeah. That's why people from my community and them thing. Hey, my family member. Look here. May I show you something there? You see the other day when the thing went with Big Stone up a jungle with the chain and them thing there. You understand where Claude Sinclair do? Lie ma tell when ma talk say boy it was a thing him go buy the chain. Lie. And them come there with the thing and because through my bossy sleeve and him licky and them thing there. And them do that on the stage. That a degrading behavior and them thing there. But hey, I saw it go on them thing there. Them not a problem with that. The next thing when them do, when them go arena, the same. That two of my cousins, you know, them go, you know, and them take back the 10 grand with them give them and them thing, them mark goal and them take back the 10 grand from them. And you hear them I say, because them man, they are bigger man for me, you know. Boy, you know, same time Michael Manley and PG and Porsche, even all Peter Phillips when them are leader, them never take back the money from we. You understand? So, me don't know, hey, boy, I mean, you know,
Porter, hear me I said to you.
Yeah, man.
I am not saying that, I mean, like, these people, Michael Manley, DK Duncan and all of them never involved.
Let's listen.
I'm not wait, no.
Let's listen what me I tell you. You see me, you know, yes. No, let's listen what me I say. You see me, you know, and this is always my mantra. Give me the book and not the gun. That's all.
No, me understand that.
Okay.
I say no.
I then bring the gun them in my community. That's why you understand.
Me no say no. I'm not saying no. But so I'm not saying no. But what the point, in fact, we start up. The reason why I'm asking you the question before, because in essence, what I'm saying is that it is the U.S. that work on behalf of the Labour Party to stabilize Jamaica. In fact, the question I ask you first: America mash up Jamaica.
Oh, America mash up Jamaica. Oh! Tell me how they mash it up.
Okay. You remember in the 19. You remember? Okay. Oh, have you ever seen the documentary with name Life and Death, DBT?
Have you
ever seen the documentary?
I don't recall that anything. But tell me how America mash up Jamaica. So me know so when you talk from in a Michael time, cause you understand.
No. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Tell me then. They mash up Jamaica.
Listen, Porter. If you, I mean, like before when me there Jamaica, me never know this. Since me come here, in fact, I mean, like, on the internet, me do my research and find out them things there. You understand? Okay. So
all right. Hold on. Wait.
Ask me a question, let me finish.
Hold on. Let me tell you. Before you're gonna further on them thing there. When you say internet and them thing there, you know that there are some websites on the internet that
don't even bother go there, sir.
I mean bother go there on them thing there. Say no. All right.
Porter, don't even bother try. Porter, don't even bother go there, sir. Don't even bother. So it's like, listen, don't even bother go there, sir.
I mean bother go there, sir. No. What you going to say?
Me not say things.
Okay, all right. So all right, let me ask you now. So where you get the information from on the internet?
Out of China. Of course you know me a joke. I'm just being sarcastic when I tell
where you get the information on the internet?
What do you mean when we get the information?
That may I ask you.
Me do multiple searches.
That's why
multiple searches.
Okay,
searches.
Okay, so you do all over the place. All right, look here now. Like for me, you know, on them thing there. The most reputable place now, where I would do my research on them thing there. It would be straight back from, I would go back to the Library of Congress, where they have the information, the CIA.
Hold on. Okay. Porter, look, listen. let me ask you this.
No, are you? No, you're digressing. You said the U.S. government destroyed Jamaica economy in the 70s. Yes. So tell me, how them destroyed? Tell me.
But I would never tell them. Okay, them first influx them send things from Jamaica. Them send things from Jamaica. I'm calling the small farmer. The IMF, okay, the IMF, International Monetary Fund. I mean, like, of course, you know, so that designed for keep down countries, third world countries like Jamaica. And so when you borrow money from the IMF, them tell you what them want you to do with it. Them tell you what them want to do. And the objective is not to help you, but it's them just to give to you, and then you indebted it to them, and then them come and get what them want.
So what? So all the IMF have to do in Jamaica in the 70s?
What do you mean all the IMF? Because when Michael Manley did go to the IMF and goes to borrow the money, them I tell the IMF I tell him where him to do with the money, and them I say no. But if me do it, because I mean, you must say, but if me do that, then I mean, I'm not gonna have enough to do this and everything. And the man said to him, so that's not my business. That's not my problem. That's your problem. And
okay.
This is when him come back. Well, a minute, let me finish. And when him come back to Jamaica and say, because his thing then that is like, you know what? We're not gonna do no import. We're not gonna do no import. We're gonna use what we have. You understand? And when him come back and him say to the people, him say, listen, we're gonna ban rebellion. And then, in fact, and this is how the CIA coming in and of course, destabilize, in fact, make the people think other things. Just like what them do with Gaddafi in Libya and all over the globe.
Oh,
I mean, yes,
we know about Gaddafi, but don't digress. Stay with Jamaica. You said the American destroyed the Jamaican economy.
Yes.
So that's why I want you to tell me how.
That's what I just tell you. In fact, because them take milk powder, them make the small farmers, the small farmers. That's what them milk. Them produce now because them make will import stuff inferior stuff from yeah come there. The banana, we used to have this banana where we used to ship. She used to ship from outside where they used to have boxing plants, and the small farmers used to sell them the banana to the boxing plant, and then used to box the banana, carry them go to Port Antonio, and ship them go wherever. You understand? And the US come in and spray the banana, damage the banana, then start feed them banana industry Mexico and El Salvador and them places, Chiquita banana, them start Chiquita banana. The coconut tree, them, I mean, like, with the copra and all of them things that we used to have, them spray and damage. Them
things that happen until Siaga Prime Minister.
What?
What you're talking about happened when Siaga was Prime Minister. That now happened when the banana and the coconut thing never happened when Michael Manley. So you got
destabilization.
No man,
I'm telling you about the beast. You asked me about the destabilization.
But so all you reach in the 80s, you talk about what them do to in the 80s. You talk about, you suppose you tell me about the 70s when them these type.
We talk about destabilization.
Yeah. You say them destroy.
What you talk about? Listen.
I mean, I talk about.
Because me remember that. My grandfather, we have a whole land up in a St. Mary Bush.
Look here.
And my grandfather
in the 1970s, the Americans them never have the American planes and helicopter weren't allowed in Jamaica and Ian Spears.
What?
They weren't spraying anything or anything like that in Jamaica then. It was in the 80s when Siaga was Prime Minister. So I don't know.
Yes,
so that,
when them used to have, have 2 million helicopter ways to go Westmoreland every morning and come back every evening.
No,
what?
That the information when you talk about that are bad information. That never happened when Michael Manley are Prime Minister. So you mix up Siaga with Michael Manley.
No. Okay.
I mean no. I tell you.
Well, okay. Let me make one thing clear.
So when you talk about look here, in the 70s, Michael Manley spent recklessly and destroyed Michael Manley. And Michael Manley, the Jamaican economy not growing, and negative it going. It's there, you understand what I'm saying? It's negative. It never grow. Michael Manley is the one that get the economy in time. Remember when Michael Manley get it, it was how much when Michael Manley get the economy from the Labour in 1972. What was the value of the US dollar to the Jamaican dollar? Which one are more stronger?
I remember. I think it look like $2 US dollar to $1 Jamaican dollar, something like that.
Okay. So all right. And when Michael Manley finished with Jamaica, what happened?
But, all right. But
what? See, no, okay. Never asked. When Michael Manley finished with Jamaica, what happened?
Remember it's slide. Remember it's slide. But then I tell you, but this is what I'm saying to you. But okay, are you aware that Lee Kuan Yew from Singapore came to Jamaica and modeled his country after the Jamaican after Jamaica, and look which part them did out.
Okay, wait. And who was in government when him get that blueprint? The same blueprint when him take from Jamaica and came back to Singapore. Who was in government then?
I think it was the Labour Party because of way back.
And I think it was Edward Siaga was the finance minister and Buster was the prime minister.
That's what I'm telling you.
Okay, all right. So okay. And look here. I worked in Jamaica on that trajectory when Michael Manley took over the government in 1972. Who caused us to derail from that and turn us in a gangster criminal's paradise? Who did that?
But you see, listen. I'm not debating the violence. So.
Yeah, but
we're the porter. You remember when we couldn't get a lot of the basics food supplies we couldn't get. We couldn't get a lot of the basic food supply.
Yes, I know.
You understand?
Yeah, people get our flour mixed with a soap. Mixed with soap. Yeah. I live in the 80s. Them used to do it when Siaga Prime. Them married things when they got the wholesale.
What I'm saying,
you have to buy nail, forget rice and all that. In the 80s when Siaga Prime Minister.
But what I'm saying to you, so when I said to you, say, okay, listen. In fact, let me tell you something. I used to work at one church, and one former CIA man said to my cousin, because my cousin was a custodian there, used to deal with the printing. And the man said to my cousin, he said to my cousin, he want to apologize to him for what they did. For what he says, I want to apologize to you for what we did to your country.
Where
CIA man says
where said that?
Which part me used to work?
Where is that?
This is up in a place named Kenilworth in Illinois. Kenilworth, one of the richest suburbs in Illinois.
Okay, so what is that? What is that former CIA agent? Or you don't know his name?
Me don't know. But him said that he want to apologize.
Okay, so let me. So
because he knows that we are Jamaican.
Hold on. So you're saying that a CIA agent came up and just apologized to you people?
No. You're skeptical about everything where you don't know.
Hey, look here. My background on them thing, and everything on me deal with is not only intelligence, but it must be factual, it's evidentiary. So that's why I ask you how the CIA man come apologize to you, apologize to you guys.
Let me answer the question.
Yes, so tell me, explain that to me.
Okay, let me explain to you. My cousin, he worked at this place for years, and somebody with him, everybody look up to. You understand?
So what's the name of the place your cousin used to work?
No. I'm not gonna tell you that.
Why?
I'm not gonna tell you that. Because I'm not gonna tell you that. I'm telling you, me I tell you, me not gonna tell you that, but me I tell you this. Listen what I say to you. In my work at the place, I worked there for years, and it's somebody that everybody respect. They all respected him, and this is when me come America.
So you were working.
Let me finish.
No man, may I ask you? So you were working there too? You were working there too?
Yes, that's what I'm about to tell you. When me come, I mean, like, he was the head custodian for the place.
The former CIA agent?
No.
Your cousin?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, my cousin was the head custodian.
Okay, so what was the CIA? What was the former CIA agent? What was his job there?
Him no work there. He's a member of the church. A member of the community.
Oh, okay. So you know that he's a CIA agent.
What? Poor dad. Come on, man.
I mean, come on. May I ask you a question, a valid question?
No, you're not. Listen. You know, it's like you just. No.
May I ask you, all you know is a CIA agent, or he was a CIA agent? Oh, you know that?
I mean, at the time, he wasn't a CIA agent.
I did not say he wasn't. I said, oh, you know that he was a former CIA agent. Oh, you know that he was.
Because him tell my cousin so that him sorry for what them do.
No, me never asked you that. Me asked you, oh, you know. How did you know? How you come by that information that this man is a former CIA agent? Just like how you don't know me, but you know that I am a former member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and I am a detective. And the reason why is because of the information that I have put out there and the places that I have worked and my years of service and all of them things. That's all you know that I was a detective. So you can, and then you hear me talk to other police, and you hear when me talk to people who know me and them things. So based on that now, and you see me uniform, my police uniform in time I youth and them things as police.
That.
So that's why I'm asking now, how you know that this man was a CIA agent?
Because in said that.
Okay, so
in said that you're saying then
he said hold on man.
What you're alluding
No. So this is what I'm saying. So he said that to you.
Not to me. No.
Who he said? But you say he apologized to you guys, you know.
No, to me. No, hold on. No. In fact, let me tell you something. I mean, like.
But me ask you, why? Just tell me how you know say my CIA agent. You say him tell you no.
Just tell you. Him say to my cousin.
All right.
Him say to my cousin.
All right.
Not to me.
I'm gonna tell you this, and you can't ask Evil. You can't ask Evil what the brother name the Rattigan.
Me know you got that.
Yeah, you can't ask Rattigan anything there. FBI and CIA are two different agencies. You understand? But them work in tangent. Them work hand in hand. And I can tell you this same thing there. You see a CIA agent, whether current or former, they will never tell you that. Never. Not even them wife know that. I tell you that. Me not ask you. You have a part in the United States Navy. And listen to me I say, because first you got to hear this, which is a part of the Department of Defense called DIA, Defense Intelligence Agency, in the United States Navy. And it is affiliated with the CIA. Did you know that?
Of course we know that.
You know about the DIA? I not say CIA, no. DIA.
No. DIA, DEA. Hold on.
No. Listen, no, man. No, let me repeat myself because more or less your ears not hearing properly. I said D as in Delta, I as in India, A as in Alpha.
You know about DIA.
You know about?
I don't know about DIA. No.
You don't know about DIA?
No.
Okay, so you said first you hear about that. DIA.
Yeah.
DIA is an intelligence arm of the United States Navy, and it's a part of the Department of Defense, and they work in conjunction with the CIA.
Okay, but let me ask you something. As it relates to
no one working in CIA will never come and tell you that.
As it relates to what the best as it relates to intelligence? Who is the best?
In terms of what? Which agency you're talking?
No. Me attack. And I'm not talking about America. I'm not talking about, I mean, like, worldwide.
The CIA have the best intelligence agency in Europe, man. Because them infiltrate.
The CIA?
Yeah. All right.
CIA?
Of course.
The CIA?
Yes.
You really think so, the CIA?
All right. Let me
The
give.
CIA.
Hold on.
No.
What?
Before, I mean, maybe no. Maybe no.
Maybe.
KGB. I mean, like, KGB. I mean, CIA development from KGB.
Really? Oh, look here. Let me tell you this. And the reason, and I'm educated now about something about the United States of America. Why the United States of America will always it as much as it's China and Russia them are gang up on them thing there. What I think the only country in the world that have people from every country who are working in the federal government is the United States of America.
Well, yes, because of course, I mean, I know that because even let me take the German after World War II to work on.
You're gonna way back on them thing there. But anyway, talk about the CIA agent where you say tell you, but we can't tell you on them thing there. I mean, I tell you this. I ask you. No CIA agent, whether current or former, just listen what I'm saying. I mean, you can't take this to the bank. No CIA agent, current or former, will ever tell you that they are CIA agent. Never.
No, they're not gonna tell us that much CIA.
Listen to me, man. Listen what I'm saying. They are not going to tell you that they are former or current. They are not going to do it.
How is it that you know that who was Daddy Bush?
I mean, who was Daddy Bush?
Yeah, who was Daddy Bush?
When you know same was the director for CIA and all kind of things and the man. All right, in case you never know anything
how comes you know that Daddy Bush? How comes you know that Daddy Bush was the former head of CIA?
Because
and he was the head.
No, man. You have to understand. Remember, I said the CIA director is a government post. You're nominated by the president and the Senate if they approve you. So that is public information. So you don't understand. So basically, you don't understand how the government in America operate then. Because to be the CIA director, you can't even act as an interim. For you to act as the interim director for the CIA, you have to be in the CIA already to act as a director. To be the director, you have to go through Congress, through the Senate, and the Senate have to approve you. The president refer you, and then the Senate vote. Them vote whether up or down, or confirm or not confirm you. So that's how you're gonna know about Daddy Bush.
You're saying to me that a former, you can know that a former CIA, you cannot, you wouldn't know of a former CIA because because they're not gonna say that they're that.
No former CIA agent now come out and tell you say they're a former CIA agent current.
But it's not something way.
They are not going to do it. It's against them morals. You understand? Period.
So
look here. So
you're telling me then. We have to Porter, come on, don't tell me about against morals. Because how much CIA agent sell information and them catch them?
Oh, you got.
Of course, it's against the morals.
Hey, look here. We're not gonna deny that. We're not take up for nobody. We just deal with facts. We just deal with facts.
Listen, but okay. But you're telling me, basically, in a sense, what you're telling me, say, Porter, is that when me I tell you not to go so. That's what you're telling me now. Yeah. You know, I say it blatantly. Mm-hmm. But that's what you're telling me.
Yes, because if he's doing that, if he's doing that, if he had done that, he's going against the rules.
So what's the difference? He's not selling no information. He's not selling no information.
You don't understand. Because Although he's farmer, him still have sensitive information. Just by doing that, he'll be committing a crime.
Porter, hear message you. We hear message you. What I'm saying to you is that he had so much respect for my cousin. And knowing that he's Jamaican. And this is why he was apologizing to him. For what?
And look here, I may tell you this straight up, say, I don't believe what you're saying anything there. Because may I tell you based on what I have learned, and the agency where I work on them thing there.
But you just tell me about, in fact, he's not, him never, as far as me know, I don't know of him selling, because evidently if he sold secrets, sold information.
But you said earlier that you don't even know his name.
I don't mean the man that talked to.
Yeah, so you gonna say the information that the man apologized to your cousin is credible. All right, look here. You understand? Oh, you know that. You know the information is credible. Or you don't know say Anansi's story. Were you present? Were you present when the man was making such declaration?
Porter.
May I ask you were you there? Were you there when the man making such declaration? Say he apologize to Jamaica.
Porter, is that right? Porter, is that right? Because let me tell you something. You see, this is what you are saying to me now. It's like, in fact, you make a statement will make me have to pull back into myself and re-evaluate where things that you say.
Yes.
Because you basically you said to me, say, people where you say, what's the term you use? You remember, but you said that them are the people who will like you.
Yes, I said people. So
you're saying then, so innocent. So by you saying that, you're telling me that me shouldn't trust nothing what you tell me then.
No, look here.
Because me find you, me take you for a credible person. And based on the fact that you're telling me that people who are credible, then them will lie to you. What makes you any different from them?
Well, because I have nothing to gain from. I don't have nothing to gain from lying.
So they have something to gain from lying.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Financially.
For which financially? It's not. They're not paying. Me not paying them nothing.
No.
I'm not paying them anything.
Me not talk about you paying nobody anything. Me talk about people who give speech and say things and them something there. You understand?
Come on, man. Porter, come on. General. Porter, I tell you, may I reevaluate you. I tell the truth, based on the statement that you make.
Yes.
Yeah, may I reevaluate you. And it's from what you say. You understand? I'm reevaluating based on the statements that you make.
Yeah, right.
And you said people who are, remember, you tell me, not me say so.
Yes.
You said people who are credible will lie to you. And me take you for a credible person. Which in essence you're saying that me shouldn't believe nothing what you say.
Well, you see what you're trying right there. So what you're trying right there now. You're trying. You sound like a propagandist because what you're doing now. You're trying to spin it. I am telling. No. What I said. Look here. What I said to you. What I have said to you, and I can say it again. I said people who have a reputation of being credible. They are the people that can lie to you. And I listen what I've said, and I use Colin Powell as one example because you look here.
But the photography, I pay close attention to details, very close attention to details.
Right.
You understand?
Yes.
Yeah, and I'm a literal person. Anything you tell me, I take it based on what you say,
right,
until you prove me otherwise. You understand?
Well,
that's who I am.
That's I'm the kind of person I'm thinking that, as you know, you hear Ronald Reagan say, trust until you verify. You know. Right. So me as a man, I deal with evidence. I don't deal with conjecture and them thing and emotional things. You understand? It's just like it's just like you know, one of my big PMP friend and them thing. Somebody who know me for decades call me and I try to recruit me and them thing, and I say, boy, May I do a disservice to the struggle. Me no be ignorant. You know what the struggle mean?
Say that again. You said you do disservice to the struggle.
Yeah, you know what the struggle mean, or you don't.
No, depending on what context it is being used.
Me I talk about, all right. I said.
You said when a PMP friend said you have something to the struggle.
Okay, that's why I asked. That's why I asked if you know what the struggle mean in that terminology.
In fact, it means with them basically. You're not upon their side.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Because I'm saying hurtful things about the party and people are thinking about it and it's damaging the brand. Mm-hmm. And I simply asked, so am I lying? And he said, no, you're not lying, but we don't like it and them thing there, and we want you to join when I struggle. And they mentioned other YouTubers. And then now, when I mentioned the YouTubers, and I'm just here listening, I'm saying, okay. And then they mentioned Serpino a politics what, because they thought that by pitching his name now into the mix now, that I make me glad they just jump and say, all right, I just change and talk other things. You understand? Mm-hmm. And so and then I ask the question, so why you say Serpy and them thing there? Then them start outline some things why he's on board and them thing there, and them start. They are the one that really open my eyes now, and I tell me the things them where that he hadn't mentioned in any blog them. I say, but suppose no, I say no, he can't, because he's a part of the system. So that's why he's not doing that, because of the effect where him have in his platform. But you and him pretty much have the same message, but your message is more damaging, because when him do him thing there, him now say things like what you know, because he don't have that knowledge as you about us, because you grew up around us, so you will know us.
Okay.
So I just saw it go. Look here. Yeah, one thing, nobody can buy my conscience. I cannot be bought. Period.
No. Listen, hear me to you. Nobody. I mean, like, me not debate that. Me don't know that. Me not debate that.
All right.
I mean, like, okay, but let me explain something to you.
Mm-hmm.
You see, if a person attack me and I'm saying to me say, you don't believe me, or I told me I tell a man, once I'm start.
But look here. You see, anytime you ask somebody that. Let me tell you this, when it comes on to communication, anytime you ask somebody say if they don't believe you and them thing there, it's like because you in yourself that is telling the person, you yourself have some doubt in yourself that you feel that the person is not gonna believe it. Like for me, and them thing there, just listen to me. Like for me, and based on where I'm coming from and them thing there, because me learn this as a detective, you see, and even as a person, you say if I tell somebody something, if they want to believe at their business, if they want to believe at their business. But once you know says the truth, you don't have to try to convince somebody about the truth.
I understand that. What I'm saying to you that the person, if somebody's saying something to you and then I ask you if you don't believe them or tell you if you believe them or whatever, once I'm start mentioning that, don't believe nothing what I'm telling you.
No, that's why you don't do that. Use them term. You understand. That's why I like with me and them thing. I don't care if people like me or don't like me. I just mean that. I'm just tell you the truth.
Listen. Hear me say.
Yeah.
I mean, like, let me tell you something. Me don't have no training, no formal training,
right?
In intelligence or nothing. But one thing me have
common sense. Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me have common sense. Yeah. And me have two sisters and a brother, and academically, them walk over me.
But look here. I may tell you this same thing there. Education doesn't mean that make somebody intelligent,
Okay, all right. Okay.
You know that. You know you have a lot of educated. Okay. Don't you see them all the time on the TV, even all people who are doctors and specialists. They might tell us, you understand. So, when they're saying that don't ever put down yourself because I watch somebody. No, you say
I'm not put on myself.
Yeah,
I'm saying
so
what
you
I'm saying to you.
don't do that on them thing because I want them have on paper and them thing. You don't do that because look here.
That's what I'm saying to you. I'm saying because okay, it's like in America. In fact, in America, I mean, like you have to have things on paper. You understand? You have to have things on paper.
Yeah, that is true. That is true.
And things when them go school for in America are things where we Jamaicans just look and see somebody do and say, "Me can do that and just do it." Yeah, that's how we Jamaicans are. Yeah, look for example, music. Yeah, for example, music.
Yeah,
you have the amount of musicians where you have at Jamaica. Where if you give them music from people, they can't read it. But if you let them hear it and then play it, whatever instrument them play, then play it.
Yeah,
you understand? But they can't read a note. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Good. So me just tell you that. What I'm saying, in fact, it's to the point where me have an investigative mind. To the point where me that try to be a PI. Me go all out to try to be a PI. Me just have an investigative mind. Me love find out things. Me love figure out things. You understand? I mean, like, in fact, in my family, them call me liar. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Them call me liar. I'm gonna fuck for some people. As a man, I mean, like, me do listen, as a man, mess with me, mess with him.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Yeah.
Where you sue me now? Federal or state code?
No, state code. No federal, nothing. In fact, right now, I'm just, I mean, like them. Me just about now to go to insurance company because them insured mash up my car, and I'm try go around me.
Oh, so your insurance supposed to take care of that?
No. Okay. So I mean, like, what happened is
if you have a good insurance and them thing, your insurance will take care of the suit and them thing.
Porter, listen to what I said to you. I understand what you are saying, but you have to understand what the position is before you can say what you are saying. Don't let me explain, and then you will understand. Okay. In fact, at first me have full coverage from a car, and me don't know what happened. And no, in fact, what me do? Me send the payment, and me write which part me supposed to write the address for the place where I go. Me put my address by accident, and the place will collect the money actually send the check back to me. Now, when the check come back to me, by the time he realize where I go and them thing and them send back, I find out I never have no insurance for my vehicle. I'm a jump go get insurance because I don't want to drive my vehicle without the insurance. Yeah. And so anyway, me go to Liberty Mutual, and long and short of it is that me not have collision on the insurance. Yeah. Me tell them say that me want full coverage, but somehow the boy tell I not have collision on it. And the reason and me agree to it because my understanding was that because me know me not cause no accident. And I say, okay, yeah, I don't think we really need full coverage. Not full coverage. Collision. You understand? Because my understanding was that if whomever lick my car, then the insurance are gonna fix it. Yeah, which is supposed to happen. However, here it comes now, and this man licked my car, but my insurance, me have everything else, but my insurance, because me not have collision, my insurance is not gonna act on my behalf. Me have to deal with him insurance personally.
Oh, okay. Well,
you get what I say?
Yes. Me understand what you say.
Yeah. So that's what happened.
One thing I know with full coverage being full coverage on them thing. And
oh yeah. They make that car.
So it was just the regular insurance you have then.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Full coverage.
Me never realize that. Me never realize that. In fact, me have a next car. Me just burn up on car and me. I never have no. And all me have on it a liability. You
Well,
understand?
you know, from I live in America, I never have them kind of insurance, but I always have full coverage. Always, because Mr. Man, Mr. Man love anything when me have. Me like for protect my investment, you know. So even when I was in Jamaica and them thing there, I had a cousin that used to, you know, at one time I was him have a car, him have two vehicles, and one of them park, and I didn't. My vehicle at the time, you know, I didn't have any vehicle. My vehicle didn't meet in an accident and them thing there. And his brother, that are my cousin, were police. Him say, hey, you know, my brother have a vehicle that are my cousin. Him say, you can't have it and them thing there. Just insure it. And then I said, if I put on third party, I say no, I not put on that on it because me, you know, I treat film care like how I treat mine. So I put on full coverage. And unfortunately, a man who has no insurance and them thing is a policeman, you understand. And the car right off. You understand? A good thing, we have full coverage. So I just some stay from Jamaica. Me like to protect my investment.
Yeah, well, I mean, like, I fix my thing, you know. I mean, like, make sure it fix.
Anyway, it's a nice conversation we have on them.
Yeah, man, respect, man. Yeah, man, respect, man.
Yeah, man, so blessed love, man. All right?
Yeah, man, blessed love, man. All right, cool.
Yeah, cool, yeah.
All right.
Yes, man. So you listen to the conversation between myself and that caller. You don't have to ask, you know that man is a comrade. And what's a comrade is a member of the supporter of the criminal organization, the PMP, which is led by Mark Golan. As you can see, their biggest hero, you know, is George Pang, you know, because, yeah, it is alleged that George Pang is one of them who responsible for killing 144 all women. I don't know how him sleep, if you know the boy, he had partaken in such atrocity, but 43 years after, him still around, you know, see me, being embraced by Omar Davey. And, you know, if you had listened to Mark Golan, that's the man from Uptown, who, as Mota said, even him a try to sound like Jamaican, him still can't sound like Jamaican. I know him a Jamaican, you understand, because I just saw it go. You know, see. So, if you listen to this man, him living in America, you know, and you have to ask, you know, him still have a hatred for the United States of America, you know, for what happened when Michael Manley ruined our economy and ruined the country. And it's America, them want to blame. Them still not take responsibilities. The man squander all of the resources and wealth that we have there. And with him arrogance because he want to be leader for life. You understand? And they are the one that who purported and started the violence in Jamaica. What people afraid to talk. The reason why we are at this juncture right now in Jamaica, and as I've said before, and I'll say it again, one of the worst things that happened to Jamaica and the Jamaican people was independence. Yes, if Jamaica did not receive independence from Britain, Jamaican people would be better off. The Jamaican people would not be wanting to migrate to other countries, as, you know, yours truly, because all of our sisters and brothers, them have British territory in the Caribbean. They're much better, and they do not want anything to do with us, because we are the pariah of black people in the Caribbean. Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. Only thing that we know for create is criminals, and keep putting them out on the conveyor's belt. Nobody wants us around them because of the culture. You understand? And that's when it started. Look at this man. Show me one positive thing that this man has contributed to Jamaica, to the upliftment of the Jamaican people. Only thing is terrorism that this man is known for. And this man is a justice of the peace. So what do you expect now when young men from my community, you know, born and raised in Jonestown and Jungle, and you see this man who is a known murderer? I'm not talking about no alleged, you know, because you hear a man come out and tell us him witness George Pang and General Starkey, them and the next man and him stepfather kill a man. You understand? And take a M16 from him. It's right here on the channel. So we don't make up things, you understand what I'm saying? And there's not somebody where they're afraid for talk. I'm just a talk, I'm and say, him not believe in a violence, so people for kill people because of politics and because, you know, you want to vote. And that's how it's supposed to go, man. Black people are our worst enemy. We are the same one. It's black people destroying black people in Jamaica, you know. You understand? To this day, black men kill 144 whole women. And no apologies. And the people them were orchestrated and behind the killing because they killed the old people, you know. All because these people were singing a GLP, you know, a GLP song. It was an advertisement that came over the TV and the radio, you understand? And they killed them just because of that. And then they want to spin it around, says the labor rights them did it. But if you have sense and you're born and raised in Jonestown or Jungle, you know that right there where Eventide is, the labor right could not come there and did it. They couldn't. Just tell it, just to think, use your brain. And not only that, them couldn't do it. It's not practical either. That means they would have, because the Jungle man, them and Jonestown man, them have M16 rifle, you know. Because I have seen two police officers issuing guns to men in my community. So this is the poster boy for the PNP party, George Pang. As I hear Mark Golding saying get a strength from the junglists them. When he must say strength in him, not talk about nothing, anything positive in him, I talk about violence. You understand? Just like how you see all of the bomb threats them going out now. And hockey. So, yes, if you have reached this far, you know, this is the end of part 2. Yeah, man, you know, the killing of the 144 women. Yeah, man, that are the biggest crime scene ever in Jamaica. Yeah, 144 people. And when I perpetrate, 2 of them still alive. Yeah, because Vincent Morrison O.C. Spurline. Yeah, Spurline is still alive. He used to go to school with him. Spurline and mother are a good friend. But not because mama and mother are a good friend, mean this a boy. Me I go say, boy, me still I talk about it and them thing there. That's why I know who's who kill the people them. You understand? Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.